Oh, I've made it to Evandale. I've checked into the Airbnb. So I got this nice little race bag of race information in it. Got a nice medallion for participating. Information there and program information. So I'm ready to do a little ride to familiarise myself with the racetrack. So I'm all settled into Evandale now. Just going to head into town and try the race circuit, give it a bit of practice. So I've got two other training videos, one at the velodrome in Bathurst and one on 24k bike ride in Bathurst. So those links will be at the end of the video in those boxes. So I'm just heading into the main bit of town now. This is where the race will be tomorrow. I'm sure there'll be some other riders practicing as well. It's got a nice feel to this village. So they're going to close this road off tomorrow, which is good. No cars. So the start line's going to be around here somewhere, and there's a different number of laps depending on which race. So it's going to go around here, past the Clarendon Arms. So it's sort of like a triangular course. There's some couple of sharp bends. I'll have to watch for traffic so I can't go full tilt around the corners. There's one bend here. Bit of a straight. Another right hand bend coming up. Again, it's a bit of a pain, got to check the traffic. This corner is going to be pretty tight. And down another straight down here. The finish line will be where the start line is, somewhere in front of me. It's a pretty cool statue. It's called the Time Traveller, celebrating the centenary of Federation 1901 to 2001, supported by the Commonwealth Government. Artist Ron Gaston. Hi, I'm all settled in now. Nice day for a ride.
If I lay that into the tiger, the dip tries to come through the boot.
Yeah.
It's got actual bad stuff.
Once you get it sideways, you keep it sideways though.
Well, once you line it up.
It's another nice park here in Evandale. This one's called Buffalo Park. Nice memorial here to Harry Murray, a farmer and a soldier. Nice post office, just past an antique shop. Another nice statue here. The statues of John Glover, born in 1767 as an artist, born in England. Quite enjoyed that tour of Evandale, so it just gives me a bit of a feel for what the race circuit's going to look like and feel like. So hopefully I don't get lost doing my laps, but I'm pretty sure I know all those corners now. So there's a dinner tonight, so I'll settle back and get ready for that.